Hello everyone, welcome back to another coding session with vanAmsen. Today we are tackling easy but quite interesting problem, sum of square of special elements. This time in Python, so it's problem number 2778. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So we are given one indexed integer array, and we are supposed to find elements in the array that are special. An element is special if its one index position divides the length of the array. So we are tasked to return the sum of the squares of all these special elements. All right, so let's start by defining our function. So it's defined sum of square by LeetCode, which takes in a list of integer nums, and we will start with a total of 0, so which will hold our result. So next we will iterate over our array using a for loop, and we will check if the length of our array n divided by our current index plus 1, because we are using one index as opposed to 0 index, and this gives us a reminder of 0. So if it does, that means our current element is special. So we add its square to the total, and yep, so let's implement it. So first, total will be 0, and n equals len of nums, and for I in range n, so we count if it's special. So indicates our one index in the problem, hence we do I plus 1 instead I. So if n modulo I plus 1 equals 0, so total num to the power of 2, and we return total. So it should work. So let's run our code and see if it's working. So yeah, it's worked for basic test case. So now we can run it for unseen test case as well. So hopefully it will pass. So yes, it passed, and we beat 54% with respect to runtime, and also 90% with respect to memory. So it's both memory and runtime efficient, and it's passed all test cases, even unseen ones. So I hope this problem made sense to you, and the key was understanding the problem statement properly and coming up with the correct logic to identify the special elements in unusual one index array. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more coding problem solution and tutorials in Python and other programming languages. And until next time, happy coding. See you next time.